Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can add a card on Shein app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to add any kind of card on your Shein app, all you need to do is simply tap open the Shein app. So once you tap open the Shein app, you will end up in this page. So simply tap on the cart option. So once you're in the cart section, you need to select an item and hit the checkout button. After you do so, you need to now simply tap on add a new card beside credit and debit card. Now to add a new card, you need to type in your card number, the expiry date of your card, the CVV number, or you can even choose to scan your card number by clicking on the scanner option. So after you do this, simply hit on the confirm option and this will allow you to add your card on Shein app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.